Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Enoch Nsubuga. Welcome to Travel with Enoch and Jackie.
This week, we return to BushBaby Lodge in Mukono to explore cycling as a workout activity. To be fit and healthy, you need to be physically active. Regular physical activity can help protect you from serious diseases such as obesity, heart disease, cancer, mental illness, diabetes, and arthritis. Riding a bicycle regularly is one of the best ways to reduce your risk of health problems associated with a sedentary lifestyle. Cycling is a healthy, low-impact exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It is fun, cheap, and good for the environment, something that our hosts at BushBaby Lodge have mastered. A bike tour at BushBaby Lodge will see you enjoy the scenic backdrops of Mukono hills and valleys on a bike. They have mapped scenic trails that they recommend for their guests like they did for us. Cycling is mainly an aerobic activity, which means that your heart, blood vessels, and lungs all get a workout. You will breathe deeper, perspire, and experience increased body temperature, which will improve your overall fitness levels. Thanks for watching. That was our travel experience of the week. Special thanks to our hosts, BushBaby Lodge in Mukono.